Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vans Tarot, and this is your November work and love forecast. Yes, friends, this is your November reading. And we will look how your November will be. We'll be using the initials, also the charms. And friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Vans Tarot if you haven't already. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, you can watch this reading anytime, although it is for November, but you can come back again anytime and watch it. I will be doing more in-depth readings for November in the coming days. But for the time being, let's start with this. And if you enjoyed today's setup, please make sure to like this video. Today's choices are excellent. I really like them. They are cute angels. And so yeah, let me know if you enjoyed these little cute things on the piles to selection. So friends, let's take a deep breath. Join us, friends, before we begin. Join us on Instagram. Sorry for that. On at Magic Vans Tarot. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website. You can book your 2021 readings now, friends. Don't wait for the last minute. There's too much rush. Book them now. So many of you have already booked it. So thank you so much. God bless. And let's take a deep breath and relax. Choose option 1, this beautiful silver angel. Option number 2, this beautiful orange angel. Option number 3, this beautiful purple angel. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3, friends. I will leave the timestamps in the comment section so you can directly skip there, choose your number. You can also watch the entire video because it is for November, so most of the readings, and you can also watch it for love, work, and extra messages like that. It's your choice how you want to see. So let's begin. So, before we begin, friends, astrologically, this is the month 3 planets will be going direct. So, it will be a positive month for all of us because Mars and Neptune and also Mercury will be going direct in this month. We start with Mercury going direct on the 3rd of November, and happy birthdays, Scorpios and Sagittarius. Happy birthdays to you. Many angel blessings. And also, Mercury will be going direct at the start of the month, then Neptune will be going direct at the end of the month, and Mars will be going direct on the Children's Day on the 14th of November. So, yes, direct, direct, direct. A lot of positive momentum will come our way this month. So, for those who chose option number 1, I really like this silver angel. It's kind of cute, isn't it? Let me know if you enjoy these things. This is your extra advice. This is your love message. These are your oracle messages. Let's see your cards for the month of November. 5 of Pentacles, the 3 of Wands, King of Swords, 8 of Wands, wow, the 6 of Wands, and the 5 of Swords, and the High Priestess. This is going to be an exciting month for you, pile number 1. Absolutely. Why? Because I see you getting out of some really bad situations. Someone is hurting you right now, some situation, some relationship, some trust issues, someone has ghosted you, someone has blocked you. Even at work, I see people are causing you pain. People have been causing you pain, people have been cheating or talking behind your back, but come November, all those things are bye bye because you are going to move ahead. Your intuition will be super high, your intelligence will also increase, your success will increase. I do see this is a very positive and successful month for you. Pile number 1, I also see that you will be moving ahead in this month, especially from challenges, people who are hurting you, people who are gossiping about you, talking behind your back. You will be moving out of that energy. All those things, all that suffering, that pain is bye bye in November. Success, yes. Forward momentum, yes. Clarity, yes. New connections, yes. Trustworthy people coming your way, yes. I also see some of you will become very focused about what you want and who you want in your life in the month of November, because this Neptune going direct will remove this confusion from your mind about a relationship or about a person in your life. I do see past people will try to come back. Yes, they will try to come back. They will want you back because you have turned your back on them in November, but now they want you back. But friends, use your intuition, use your intuition, your heart, listen to your heart. There is a reason why they are in your past and not right now with you. I also see, friends, if someone really loves you, they will. I think there is a friendship which has gone sour. That person has hurted you, but that person will try to come and make sorry and make a healing in this connection. I think friendships will work out great, even some love connections. But if someone has really cheated on you and they still do so, you will not accept them back, because some major clarity, some fogs about your life are lifted. There is something which is clearing, which is not clear to you right now, whom to trust, whom not to trust. Also, about your future, something is not clear to you right now, but in November it will be clear, because Neptune going direct will bring you clarity in your emotions, even about your career, where you want to go, what you want to do. Mars going direct will give you passion, it will bring you success, it will make you a leader. Very nice. I see you becoming very successful in November. You going out and achieving whatever you set out to. This is a very powerful month for you, friends. Success is very important to you. It will be coming. You will fight for success. You will give anything for success, for power, for leaderships. Yes. I also see a lot of communications coming your way, because Mercury going direct will bring tons of communication your way. Oh, from all sorts of people, from new people, from past people, from those who gossip about you, everyone is coming. I also see an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person will be important to you. I also see an Aries, Leo, Sag person being important to you, friends, in the month of November. But mainly, I see that your focus is on self development, on healing your issues, on gaining, healing your life, your career, getting your success. Even if you are a student, yes, you will achieve the success. Some of you will be working online and becoming very successful at it. Some of you will be starting something spiritual, or maybe you are learning reiki, yoga, zumba, and you will become extremely successful. People will say you can't do it, but don't listen to them. Someone from your past will also try to reach out. Yes, I don't know if you will accept them or not, because I see you are busy. You will use your intuition, then you will see if they are worthy or not. Community, number 7. Yes, community is very important to you. Teamwork is very important. People who think like you, people who understand you, support you. If you are in business, collaborations are coming. Also, you will be doing or learning something, like some creative skills, learning with a group of people. Maybe it is online, maybe you will actually join a class with social distancing, but I see you getting a lot of communications and dealing with community. I also see some of you could be doing some social work in the month of November. Yes, maybe you are trying to heal some pets, or helping some pets for with food, or caring for people. Maybe you are visiting nursing homes, or like elderly homes, or child welfare centers. You're trying to help people because you have seen how it feels not to have help. Door to value, number 31. Friends, money is coming your way in November. Success is coming your way. Yes, your life is moving forward, and all this trust issues, this worry, this, waiting. You right now, you have to wait for people to do things for you. But no more in November. You are free, you are happy, you are going places, you will find new friends also. But use your intuition, friends. Use your intuition and be open to what people are saying, you know. Let's see if there is anything else for November, for pile number one. What else will happen? Strategy number 21. Number 21, 31 is important as dates also. Strategize, friends. Make your plans. I would suggest that you start making your November plans right now, or maybe next year goals, 5-year goals right now. You will say, oh, but this is not working. But maybe you should not make 5-year goals, but you know what you will immediately do, or how you will behave every day, your everyday routine, that you can write. Go for it. I do see you learning something new and becoming extremely good at it, because you have chosen this silver angel, and you also have high priestess. So I see you learning something related to media, coding, languages, communications, traveling, photography, technical things, you know. Even you know, healing, because that also is like related to this healing, spirituality, fitness. You will be learning things and making plans for it. Archangel Michael, first chakra. You, some things you will cut away, friends, in November. Like, no, I don't want this negativity. Some people, some relationships, you will move out of them automatically, or they will shift, like they will become better for you. I also feel health issues will resolve. If you are facing health issues, they will heal in the month of November. Maybe right now you are facing some health issues or money issues. They will resolve. Let's see your love life. Attraction. You attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So yes, friends, the more you enjoy, the more love you are going to attract in the month of November. So go ahead and enjoy, and let's see your advice. Then we'll look in the initials. Protected by the angels, you are cherished by God and angels. Wow, friends, look at that. Really, God and angels and the universe is supporting you. There are people on you will meet which will help you and support you. So stay positive, don't lose faith. Things are looking up for you. Pile number one, who will be important for them in November? Let's see. So these could be people who are important to you in the month of November, or if we get some words, that will also be important to you. I will be doing more in-depth readings, don't worry for that, in November, right before starting of the November. Date, wow, you could be going on dates, friends. Yes, I do see. Some of you are going on date. Maybe you met someone online, maybe you are doing some online dating, or some your friends have set you up with someone, or you are maybe you are going out with a friend of yours, you know, someone who was a friend. Ki is also the energy, like Reiki, you know, there's this energy that is important. Ki is the energy currency, you know, it is like E is equal to mc square, something like that. It's ki, it's the energy. I don't know how to say. Dealing with energy, dealing with law of attraction, dealing with manifestations. You are on super power. Pile number one. Yes, you are very important because you have double U, so you are the focus. You also have a blank tile. If you don't know someone's name, if your person's name is not here, this is the blank tile here. Om, you could be, yeah, meditating, you know, learning something spiritual. Om could also be a name for somebody, or Matt could be a name for somebody. I don't know if I can make any words with it. Met could be a you know, you met somebody. Dame is also a word here. You also have C. Let's see. I'm trying to make any words, but I can't think of any words. You let me know, okay? C, R, S is important. and L is also important. So I do see someone coming in late for you, but yeah, right on time for this month. Something will happen which was late or delayed, but actually happening for you this month. I don't know. I keep seeing the word dream. Look, here it is. Because even before I made this, I picked the letters. I intuitively got the word dream. So, yes, your dreams are going to come true, friends, in this month. So, get ready, friends. Get ready for your dreams to come true. Date, you. I'll try to keep them, arrange them if I can. So, you have these words DATEMQI. WUO blank CRSL. So that's it for now, friends. Happy November, and subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, friends. Click the bell icon and never miss a reading. I post every day, so click a bell icon. And this is Mystic C saying bye. So, friends, for those who chose option number 2, this beautiful orange angel, let us see how your month of November will be. This is your advice. This is your romance angels messages. These are your oracle cards. I will be pulling more cards if necessary. These are your charms. We're gonna look at them in the end. Let's see your cards. The Ace of Rods, the Three of Cups, Page of Rods, interesting. Justice, wow. Queen of Pentacles, the Chariot, the Hermit. Oh my god, the Emperor. Lots of people are important for you, pile number 2, in the month of November. I see a lot of people are important. I see some celebrations are absolutely coming your way. Yes, I see a strong celebration. Maybe it's your birthday this month. So yes, happy birthday, Scorpio, Sagittarius, your birthdays. Or maybe someone their birthday or anniversary is coming. So yes, that is going to happen. You will celebrate. I also see if you are a student or about if you are a student, some success is coming, some celebration is coming. In work also, you will have something to celebrate about, some victory. Some of you, if you are having legal issues, you will have a victory or achieve a win in the month of November. I feel this is your month about gaining a lot of power, friends. You are becoming absolutely very, very powerful in the month of November. Also, you will be so powerful that you will start some new things, take a risk this month. And I also see you will not want to sit quiet this month. You want to travel, you want to achieve things, you want to be the go-getter this month. Because you have been a hermit all this year, you have been inside your home practicing, learning. Now this is your time for in November to go out and show the world who you are. I do see you could be a Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person is important to you in November. I also feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person will be important to you. I feel, friends, some of you could be in third party situations, or maybe, life, in your love relationships, something is affecting your love life. Like maybe the person was being a hermit, they were in no contact with you. I see someone making a move towards you in November. Someone who was quiet, someone who was not talking to you, who was not making a move, they will be making a move towards you. They will try to win you and settle the score, or set things right in this connection. But I see you will not be accepting them, or even if you accept them, there will be a choice for you. I see two lovers coming your way. Someone new who is from your friends, who is your friend's best friend, or your brother's best friend, your sister's best friend. They will also try to propose you or make a move towards you. And there will be another person who is your age and who has been in no contact, your boss or someone. They will also try to be with you, but it will be up to you to choose them. I also see if you are in a third party situation, you will get some justice, some victory, and it will make you happy. I also see some of you are very worried about money, friends. You are so worried about money that you don't know what to do. I tell you, friends, what to do. Don't worry. Why? because money is coming. Look at this, Queen of Pentacles. Money is coming your way, and a lot of money is coming your way. So please, friends, don't worry. I also see you taking, taking action to make more money, or be more active in your business. So yes, also friends, I see you will be very busy this month. So take your time to, enjoy with friends, with family, socialize. Don't be so hard on yourself. I do see you will be tough on yourself. Some of you may even want to be too, you will want to work too much. So take it easy, take it easy. I do see this is also your month of karmic justice happening for you. Some things which were missing from your life, they will come towards you in this month of November. Oh my God, soul contract. See, contracts are coming for you. Destined things will happen this month for you. You could be having a new job contract, or you could be winning a legal contract. If you could also be getting a new job out of the blue, or moving into a new house, or some having a friend, new friendships. Number 6 is also spiritual romances. I also feel that if you were in third party, someone has done you injustice, that will be resolved. Someone, if someone was keeping you waiting, you will keep them waiting. So whatever they did to you, they will also get the same medicine. Soul contract. It is their contract. It is their karma. You'll be very powerful, pile number 2. Trust me. In November. Walking away. Yes, number 27 might be important. You will walk out on someone, and maybe some things which were not working out. But you are not walking away. You are walking towards something good in November. You are walking away from worries. Storm warning. I do see that, someone is coming towards you, but you don't like that person in November. Maybe they are born on the 10th or the 27th or the 6th of the month, or 6th is their birth month, June or July. I feel someone, your parents, I feel this person could, your boss or someone, this person, someone may try to create conflict in your life in the month of November, because but they won't be able to, because you are very powerful, friends. And I see someone from the past coming back towards you, and they will try to win you, and they will say they are sorry for what happened in the past, this storm, this, all that. But do to spirit, you will forgive them but move on. You will say, okay, fine, but I have moved on. It's okay. It's something from the past. I have new friends. I have better friends, or you will find better friends. I do see you should connect with spirituality, or take your time in getting some fresh airs and not worry too much this month. Why? Because I see you are a workaholic this month, friends. You are working too much. Envy, see, you are everyone's envy. People envy you. People are jealous of your success. So you need to, don't worry. You are grounded. You are safe. You are black, and you are safe. But there will be people, because you are going places. You will be having a job or a contract or a destiny which is the envy of everyone else. So you are successful. Congratulations. Let's see your love advice. Oh, new love, friends. New love. New person has stirred your romantic feelings. Yes, friends, a new person is going to come your way. This is your destined connection. Look at this Page of Rods. I think you and this person will have an age gap. But oh my God, you guys are going to connect on an amazing level. And this is your destined soulmate. This is your destined person. Let's see your advice. Overcoming obstacles, you can overcome anything. Wow, look at that. You are very powerful. Pile number 2 in November. I'm scared of you now. You are very powerful, and anything that's bothering you now will be resolved by November. So don't worry, friends. Don't worry. I know I say it every time, but you don't listen. Let's see your charms. What you will have. Pile number 2. And friends, when days are tough, we should not worry. Why? Because the days are tough. So what is the point of worrying? They will remain tough, right? So So don't worry. And you see, the future is already improving for you. So why worry? No point. Instead, do something else. Watch the channel. 10 is important. Maybe 10 is also about completions, new beginnings. Jinn, wow, Jinn could be like the someone like a genie or magician. Someone Jinn could also be like champagne, celebrations, happiness, some happy news coming your way. I see happy friendships also coming your way. MO. I also see the letter X. So some of you don't want to see your X in November. Nope. P is also there. There is a blank also. There is do, do. Yeah, you are working a lot this month in November. So there is TENGINDOAWI and a blank. So let me know if you can make any words out of this. Dig. I think you want to dig deep into your success. You want big success and you're working hard and you will achieve it, friends. Big success. I don't know if I can make any words. Any could be a word. Any could be a word here. Name. You let me know if you can make. Toad. I can see toad. Toad. Toad is like a frog also. Toads are different from frogs, but they are same related species. So toad is like your prince charming, your princess charming is coming. You might have kissed some wrong frogs, but remember, one of them is the prince or the princess. So the new one is that. Trust on it. And so their letters are MOX and PTENONIAUU blank DIG, and that's it for now, friends. Subscribe, like and share. And friends, I'm the first one to do the November reading, so if you don't subscribe Magic Wednesday now, when are you going to subscribe? Join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful purple angel, let's see how your month of November will be. This is your advice, your romance angels and your oracle. We'll also be looking at charms. Ooh, 9 of cups. Your cards are strength. Very nice. Ace of cups. Interesting. Queen of swords. Ace of pentacles. You have 2 aces, friends. Congratulations. 2 of wands, the transformation or the death card, and the world. Oh my god, friends, November is like a new beginning for you. Yes, you are ending major things. I see November you might be moving out of many things in life. You are ending something in October, or if not, in November, you will be changing. Your life is changing. Why? Because 3 planets will be going direct in 1 month, and there is Mars, there is Neptune, there is Mercury, all 3 going direct, and Mercury will be going direct in Libra, Mars in Aries, and Neptune will be going direct in actually Scorpio. So you can see, in Pisces, actually, Neptune will go direct in Pisces. Sorry, my bad. I don't want to give you wrong information. So I see some big changes will happen for you in November, friends. Big changes. You are going to find relief. You are going to find happiness. And not just, this is not your month of endings. In fact, November is your month of new beginnings. Why? You have 2 aces. Look at here, Ace of Cups, Ace of Pentacles. New beginnings, powerful shifts, powerful changes are coming towards you, and changes which will make you happy. 9 of Cups. Changes which will make you feel supported. Changes which will make you feel yes, you are safe, you are protected. I definitely see, friends, your success will be very high this month. Some of you are facing some health issues, or maybe someone in the family, you are worried about some family member's health. It will be resolved in the month of November. I also see, if there is a relationship which is going through endings or cycles, or it is tough right now, you will see that relationship getting better, or a new start coming in your love life in the month of November. For some of you, this is with a new person. For some of others of you, it is your twin flame that will, or your husband or wife, that relationship will get better. I do see this month you will be feeling very balanced, very mature. It will be, emotionally and mentally, you will feel very happy, very content. You will also be very fearless this month. You will be like ready to charge, ready to explore, do things you have never done. So, oh my God, pile number three, I don't know what you are going to do. Some of you could be actually going for a beauty pageant, a contest, even if you are a man. I see some of you going for some beauty contest or some sort of a contest or some exams and being so fearless and just enjoying yourself, and I see you winning it. And it will change your life. It will boost your confidence. It will boost your, your image. Even at your work, you will be fearless to try new things, to be innovative, and you will feel very happy. You will also attract more money. Some of you could be starting your own business this month, or if you are already started, you will make it more successful this month. Some of you are traveling towards a new city, a new country. Some of you are shifting a home, redecorating a home, making some important changes, and some of you are definitely stepping outside of your comfort zone in November. Let's talk about your love life. I see in your love life there will be a lot of romantic moments. You will feel a lot of self love, a lot of happiness. You will feel very proud of yourself in relationships or in your love life, whether you are single or ready to mingle or in a relationship. You will feel very happy, and some happy dates, some happy moments are going to come in your love life in November. I see some relief, some endings are going to lead to some positive beginnings in your love life. I do see a relationship is very strong, and it will start again for you in some way. Door to romance, number 33. Love is coming your way, friends. Absolutely. I see romance proposals are coming your way from people from other cities, other countries. I think people who work with you will also try to propose you. Some of you may also get an offer to get married or an arranged marriage proposal or something. It will be, or some of you may actually get married in November. You may, or someone around you is getting married. Door to romance, number 33. And oh my God, women holding a heart, number 44. So 444 and 333 are your signs, your important numbers in the month of November. I feel someone is going to come who loves you immensely, friends. This is like instant connection. This is like the person you have been looking for if you are single, or if you are, this could be someone from your past or someone you are already with. This connection will go through a new start, a dream come true relationship, because your relationships are strong, friends. You have to trust them. Let's see if there is anything else for pile number 3. Victory! Yes, friends, you are going to win. Yes, absolutely. November is your month for victory. November is your time for spiritual, emotional, and financial success, and you have worked for it. Angel of love. Oh my God, so many love messages are coming for you. You are going for self-love, friends. This is amazing. Your self-love, your self-esteem will be so high, and I think in November you will do something, maybe end a bad cycle or leave a toxic relationship, or you are going to change something in your life. Maybe you are putting yourself down or something, saying some negative things about you are going to change something. Maybe it's very little, but it is going to transform your life. Your self love will go expand by leaps and bounds, and a lot of love is coming your way, a lot of appreciation is coming your way, success is coming your way. I see people praising you at your work also, you becoming a celebrity, you winning a beauty contest, you learning something. Maybe some of you are becoming makeup artists, dancers, actors, musicians. Congrats. Let's see your love message finances and career, financial issues are a factor in your love life. I do see, friends, you will be very successful or busy at your work, so you may have little time for love. I did feel that because I told you it's a busy month. So make sure to balance your work and home life. Let's see your advice. Grace and gratitude. Through gratitude, joy expands. I see you are starting a new path in November, friends. You may not know where this path may lead, but if you stay positive, good things are coming. Let's see your charms. Option number 3. What will happen for them in November? Let's see, friends. I don't know why they always land up face down. Lots of D's are coming. D's, T's. Okay, C is there. Finally saw some new words. F, okay, now that's good. G is also there. So let's see what is this. U, TAG, tag, could be someone is going to tag you in social media post. Maybe you are becoming a social media sensation. Maybe you will marry, or you will get to know, or your crush is a celebrity. They will say hi to you. I see they will fall in love with you. Definitely. See, definitely. Tag, UAU. There is also the cat's energy. So cat may be important. Some of you may get a new pet in this month. If there is your person's word or alphabet is not here, you can use the blank for that. U and O. So cats are also very intelligent. Cat is also about being self-loving, keeping yourself important. Let us see if I can make any more words out of this. Fated. I see fated here. Look at this. Fated. Yes, something which is fated for you is going to happen. It is destined for you. You know, something which is destined for you is going to happen. This victory. It is yours. It is your victory. And what else? Can we make anything with maybe the I can't make any words right now. You let me know, friends, if you can make any more words out of these. So your letters are GATCUAFATEDIAUO. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, friends. If you enjoyed today's reading, subscribe, like and share Magic Vans Tarot. Join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.